With the products, I feel a very common moment that most moms have is the energy to do all of the things they want to do. After I had my daughter, I lacked that motivation piece. So myGLP has actually been that saving grace for me. myGLP blew my mind. If you're anybody who's into fitness, the hangry is real, especially when you have very high metabolism and you're feeding muscles. The very first thing I noticed was my mind wasn't always thinking about food like it did before. The mental clarity was something that I noticed pretty fast. It was like that fuzzy layer got lifted up and I could see clearly. I was amazed by my mood, more so that I can think before my emotions come out, which I think is something that's absolutely incredible. Gut health, unlike no other. I do not bloat after I eat, and I have never had that experience in my entire life. After I've been taking the products for a few weeks, I'm already back in our garage gym. I'm loving how I feel, and I already started to notice like my body changing as far as like my energy and my workouts and things like that I wasn't expecting. myGLP is for me.